day, everyone. My name is Dan of SharpTrade.com, and we are continuing in our free playlist or free series of videos. You can find the videos on our YouTube channel, the entire series. The first entry, though, is an article. It's not a video, but the link's in all of it. You'll find all the links, right? But regardless, yes, this is our series of videos of how to begin with investing and trading. In this entry, we're wrapping it up. The end. It's sort of like the end of Ferris Bueller, where he just walks out of the room and says, "What? Are you still here? It's over. Go." No, obviously we are not saying that that's all you need to profitably invest and trade in the markets. However, this whole series was how to begin with investing and trading. Now, I know that some who are professionals and others who've been trading for a long time might say, "Dan, you're wrapping up the series already? You didn't mention XYZ. You didn't mention ABC. You didn't mention record keeping." You know what? I didn't mention record keeping, so I'm going to mention it right now. Because record keeping should be in the How to Begin series. Record keeping is vitally important, and I would go so far as to say that if a person does not keep good records, we're talking about their drawdown for particular time frames, right? I measure a lot of stuff weekly. I try and keep a tight lid on it. But things like drawdown, things like the performance, obviously, on a percentage basis, right? From January 1st, discounting all capital additions, what's the performance been like? You know, doing that week by week. Regardless, even trades, even like trade number 1, trade number 2, how accurate is it, drawdown? We'll get into that in the money management series. But if a person does not keep good records, I would go so far, in my opinion, to say they absolutely flat out will fail. I don't think it can be done. I do not think profitable investing and trading can be done without keeping good records. So I've said it. Okay? So consider this the video in the How to Begin series that talks about how important record keeping is. But getting back, I do realize that some who are professionals or some who have been trading for a long time may say, "But Dan, you didn't mention this and you didn't mention that." And you're probably right. There may be things that we didn't mention in this How to Begin series, but it is a How to Begin series. And at a certain point, the person has to start the process. So, you know, it comes to an area where the person has to begin the process, and then, as we were saying in the previous entry, begin to persist until the market slaps them upside the head a little bit and they get a battle scar. And they have to persist to those battle scars. And that process has to begin at some point. Because the truth of the matter is, you're never done learning. Ever. I've been doing this, it'll soon be 19 years. I'm never done learning about the markets. The markets are always changing. Because it's comprised of humans buying and selling, it's adaptive by its very nature. I was talking with another trader one time, and he brought out an excellent point. He's like, "Have you ever heard people say, well, the market can't go there, we know that." Well, as soon as you say that, other people are going to believe it. It's human behavior. It's all psychology. I've said that for years. Other people are going to believe that. They're going to go into the market. They're going to place orders around that area, and as soon as the orders are on the market, they can be triggered, and it's just an auction. So my whole point there in saying is that markets are very adaptive, and you will never be done learning. But at a certain point, you know, a person has to begin the process, begin persisting, day in, day out, year in, year out. They'll develop their own battle scars from which they will learn. Because the learning process is never done. So we hope you have enjoyed this playlist or series of videos. Much of what we will do here at SharpTrade.com is free. This whole playlist, completely free. We're going to have a money management playlist of series of videos, as well as, well, many playlists and series. Free. Absolutely free. We run our Sharp Income Project. That's free. So we hope you have enjoyed it. That is the conclusion. of how to begin with investing and trading. And as always, it has been what it's always been. It's simply been our thoughts, not yours, for whatever the heck day it is. As always, stay safe, trade well, and remember that love doesn't cost a dime.